Hey you guys, it's Star. Happy Saturday. I hope you're having a good day so far. So as you can see, we just pulled up to Dollar General and I'm running a little bit late today, y'all. I slept in because y'all know I stayed up late last night. So I'm about to go in here and try to move quickly because I want to hit at least 2 stores today and do at least a few transactions. Y'all know we got some good stuff going on. So I want to take full advantage. So let's go in here and see what they have left at this store, and we're gonna move pretty quick. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we are in the store. The first thing I think I'm gonna grab in this first deal is 2 of the Febreze plugs. So those are $5. I'm gonna use our $5 off 2 digital coupon. I think I'm gonna grab some of those Downy scented ones back there. Those are gonna be my first 2. Then I'm gonna grab one of the $3 Snuggles. So we're gonna get one of these starter kits right here because these are free 99. So I already have that in my cart. So let's see what else we're gonna get. Now, y'all, this is why I posted the paper deals during the week. Y'all know we were here just a couple days ago and they had stocked up on the paper products. Now y'all see what's out here. Instead of the Charmin and all of the name brand paper products, they only have the Smart and Simple $1 products. So this is why I said sometimes it's better to make those moves during the week because by the time you get to the store on Saturday, it looks like this. Next up, I think I'm gonna grab one of these double packs of candles. This clean linen smells so good, y'all. So it is $5, but we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. Now we're gonna grab an Always discreet liner. So these are $3, but we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. Okay, so now I'm gonna add $2 in filler items. I'm gonna grab one of these Gain fabric softeners for $1. Gonna use that $1 off coupon. Then I'm grabbing one of these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners for $1 using the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm grabbing in my first deal. This is gonna be an all digital deal. I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items total in this deal. So my total before any digital coupons are applied for this deal should be $25.95. So we're good to use our 5 off of 25. I am going to use the $2 off coupon on that, the $1 digital on that. I have my 5 off of 2 for this. We have $1.50 off this baby in the middle. We're going to use our $3 coupon and making that free 99. Our $2 digital for the Always, and then our 50-cent digital for the Lysol. Y'all, I think that's going to be $20 in digital coupons, making this only $5.95 for all of these items. Considering that I'm getting a double pack of these candles, that is the bomb. So let me put together deal number 2. Okay, so for deal number 2, I'm gonna grab one of these Tampax pearls. These are $4. I'm gonna use our $2 off 1 digital. One of these Centrum vitamins. These are $5, but we have a $4 off 1 paper coupon. I am grabbing another Snuggle for $3. I'm gonna use our $3 off 1 digital, making that baby free 99. I'm gonna grab some more candles in this deal because these clean linen smell so good. We're gonna get this double pack for $5. Use that $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. And then finally, I'm gonna get 2 of the All or Snuggle products so we can use that $4 off 2 digital. I think I'm gonna grab one of these liquids right here, and then I'm gonna get one of these dryer sheets that is not beat up. I'm gonna grab one of these for $4 as well. Okay, so now this is all digital. Well, not all digital, almost all digital deal number 2, because we will be using 1 paper coupon for this on the Centrum. We're gonna use that $4 off paper coupon, but everything else is all digital. So we got our Snuggle once again for $3. We're gonna use that $3 digital. We have our Snuggle products, our laundry products that are $4 each. We are going to use that $4 digital. We have our Tampax Pearl that is $4. We are going to use that $2 digital. And then we have more of our Glade candles. So all 6 of these items should come up to $25 on the dot. I'm going to use all of those digitals plus that $4 paper coupon. I think we're going to pay $5.50 for this deal. Yes, just $5.50. And considering that the candles alone are $5, that is a come up, y'all. So I think this is all I'm going to do at this store. Let's move on, let's check out, and let's see how these work out.
parks by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Deal 1 came up to $5.95, just like we expected it. And here is deal number 2. It was $9.50, and I'm handing over my $4 paper coupon. It is $5.50, just like we expected. So $5.95 and $5.50 for these deals. All right, you guys, so those transactions were perfect. We had no hiccups, no bumps in the road, and I'm super excited about these Glade candle double packs, y'all, because I wasn't even anticipating on getting these until this morning when I noticed that $1.50 off Glade digital coupon. So I'm happy that we were able to work out some $5 deals getting those. So you saw how my transactions worked out at the register, but I'll just show you a quick view of my receipt. So there is the Glade candles with $1.50 digital. Those are all of the other items that we picked up. So that first transaction came out to $5.95 plus tax, just as we anticipated, and we had that $20 in savings for those 8 items. That was the bomb. And then on deal number 2, we got us some more candles and all of those items. And y'all, this was our second transaction. We only used 1 paper coupon on this deal. That one came out to $5.50, and we had $19.50 in savings. So now let me run on to my mainline store, and then I'm gonna be done, y'all. Okay, you guys, so we are in store number 2, and this store has quite a few of the Gain scented Febreze plugs yet. So I'm gonna try to do a Gain deal. It's been a long time since I've done one of these, but what I'm gonna do as my first 4 items is I'm gonna grab 4 of these Gain scented plugs. We're gonna use 1 paper coupon that's buy one get one free from our May PNG, and then we're gonna use 1 digital coupon for $5 off of 2 on these. That'll give us $20 towards our $30 Gain deal. My store is out of the 34 count Gain dryer sheets, so I'm gonna get one of these Gain liquid fabric softeners. These are $3. I'm gonna use the $1 off 1 digital coupon. And now I'm going to grab 2 of the Gain dish liquids. These are $2 a piece, but I am going to use our $1 off of 2 digital coupons. Y'all, look what I see up there. We are going to grab us one of those. There's none down here on the bottom, but I will get me something to get that. Okay, you guys, so this is my Gain deal. I'm hoping that this works out. It's been so long since I've done a Gain deal, y'all. I don't even hardly remember how they work, but this should not be bad at all. So we have 2 of the Gain liquid dish detergent. So these are $2 each. We're going to use that $1 off of 2 digital coupon. We have 4 of the Febreze plugs. We're going to use 1 digital for 1 set, and then we're also going to use this buy one get one free digital from the May PNG on the other set. So each set costs $10. We're going to have a total of $10 in coupons applied. We have our Gain liquid laundry detergent. That's the 40-ounce bottle. We're going to use the $1 off digital coupon, and then we have some fabric softener for $3. We're going to use that $1 off digital. Our total for all of these items, so we have a total of 8 items, should be $30.95. So we should be able to use our 5 off of 25 coupon and our 5 off of 30 Gain coupon. After all of those coupons are applied, I think this deal will come up to $7.95, making each item like 99 cents. Not a bad deal at all. So let's see how that one works out. Okay, you guys, so this is deal number 4. Our total for all of these items before our digital coupons are applied should be $25.70, which qualifies us to use that 5 off of 25. I have one of the Centrum vitamins, that's $5. I'm going to use that $4 off paper coupon on that. I have the Glade Force Flesh trash bags, and these are $7. My apologies, you guys, because I think in my written breakdowns I said these were $6.50. I thought they were still on sale, but the sale is over apparently. So these are $7, and we're going to use that $2 off digital coupon. Y'all know I had to get this Jergens body wash, $6. We're going to use that $3 digital coupon. I do not have any coupons for the Clorox bleach, but you know we're stocking up on the bleach for all of those of disinfecting properties because this is some disinfecting bleach. So we're not going to use any coupons on that. I got my big metal razors. Those are $2. I'm going to use the $2 digital, making those absolutely free. And then I have another one of my Tide Simply Pods that we're going to use that $2 digital on. After all of those coupons are applied, I think this deal is going to work out to $7.70. I am completely okay with that because we got trash bags and my body wash and some bleach, y'all. $7 is not bad at all. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go up to the front, check out with these two deals and see how they work out so I can get home and put up this video. I will talk to you guys shortly. Let's check out.
Woke up this morning feeling different. I heard my angels tell me, listen, yeah. Let it go and stop pretending. See, I was sent here on a mission, and I ain't asking for permission, no. I'll let it go and stop pretending. I'll let it go. Yes, I'll let it go.
9:42. That's perfect.
Money, 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 ooh, yeah. Money, 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 ooh. So I let it go. Money, 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 money.
861.
Awesome.
Debit.
Okay. All right, my friends, so we are back at home and this is everything that we have picked up today. This is how you make $25 stretch. So we did a total of 4 transactions that were either $5 or around $7 a piece, and we only used a few paper coupons, but I think we did so good. So let's talk about the Gain deal real quick. That worked out very, very well. So we got our 2 Gain dish liquids. Those were $2 a piece. We have our laundry detergent there for $3.95. And then the big bottle of Gain fabric softener was $3, and we got 4 of the plugs. So here is my receipt for that transaction. Both of those store discounts did apply. So we got the 5 off of 30 and we got the 5 off of 25, y'all. And please don't mind this splatter on my receipt. That is Lysol that I sprayed as soon as I got in the car, and I accidentally sprayed the receipt as well. Y'all, those 8 items came up to $7.95. We had a total savings of $23 on our Gain deal. That is amazing. That's like paying like 99 cents per item for these Gain items. I think that is pretty good, especially considering that the Febreze plugs are $5 a piece. So now let's talk about our second transaction. So in transaction number 2, we got our Jergens body wash, we got those Centrum vitamins, and we got those trash bags, the free Bic metal razors, and the Tide Simply Pods. And we threw in that Clorox bleach. We didn't have any coupons for that, but it still worked out. We ended up paying $7.20, and we had a total savings of $18 for that second deal. So yes, y'all, we did the daggone thing today. I think I have a total of 28 items here, and we spent a total of $26.30 for everything that you see on the table. That is pretty good. That's like paying 93 cents per item. And when you consider that some of these items are bleach and double packs of candles and full-size laundry detergents, and we got 6 of the Febreze plugs, I don't think we did that bad. Y'all let me know what you think. So I want to do something for you guys because you guys are always helping me out by supporting this channel, and I want to sponsor your stock up for next week. As you can see, we can make $25 go real far as a couponer. So I want to help you stock up and give you $25 to go real far. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and this giveaway is going to be super duper simple. Stay tuned. I'm going to clip over to the rules. This is a Cash App giveaway where I will be dropping $25 in someone's Cash App, so you will need Cash App for this giveaway. You also must be a subscriber. Thumbs up the video and then let me know once this quarantine is really over and we can get back to shopping like we used to, what are you going to stock up on? Or how has this pandemic changed the way that you will think about couponing moving forward? Is it going to make you go harder or focus on certain items? How has this changed the way that you view couponing? Limit one entry per person, and I will announce the winner in my next Dollar General video. Thank you guys so much for entering. So as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching. I hope these deals were helpful to you, and good luck on the giveaway. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and help your girl out with this YouTube algorithm. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye.